morning, everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a pull deck sealing here this morning. Let me walk around and show you what we got going on. Okay, so this is a new pull deck. It's about, I don't know, 6-8 months old, I think he said. Yeah, we'll get all this cleaned up today. Kids have been out here with some sidewalk chalk, but it's no problem. That'll all come up. It's a really nice pull. Alright, it's going to be another hot one today, so let's get busy before it starts getting too hot. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We got our 3-step cleaning process done. We got everything prepped, and we are ready to come back tomorrow for sand and seal. So this is definitely ready to go. Let this dry up overnight. These pavers are gonna look beautiful. Such a nice pull too. Okay, well, we'll see you back here in the morning. Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're back at our pull deck sealing here this morning. I'm gonna take you back and show you what it looks like now it's all dried up. Okay, so we are all good here. Okay, these pavers cleaned up really good. I mean, they're brand new pavers, but they're just nice and clean. Joints are empty, ready for some new sand. Alright, so it's supposed to be another hot one today, so we're here early trying to get beat the heat. So let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me take you back and show you the final results. Oh yeah, that color enhancement is just absolutely beautiful. Got a nice sheen on it. Okay, well, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. These are the kind of results you're looking for on your pull decks, driveways, walkways. Reach out, give us a call. Always free estimates, free consultations. You can reach us at 813-853-3557 or our website at www.supremetampabay.com. All right, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We will see you at the next job.